Important Words for Reinventing Yourself in 2024 outlines a Stoic-inspired blueprint for rebuilding your life in 2024, focusing on principles that encourage resilience, self-awareness, and virtuous transformation. Hope you will like this video. Watch the video till the end without skipping. The reflective foundation. Stoic self-reflection. Embrace the Stoic practice of self-reflection, gaining clarity on your values, strengths, and areas of growth. 2. Acknowledging impermanence. Internalize the Stoic understanding of impermanence, recognizing that change is a constant and the opportunity for reinvention is ever present. 3. Virtue as the North Star. Align your reinvention with Stoic virtues, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, setting a moral compass for your journey. Number A. Purposeful goal setting. 4. Stoic goal. Clarity. Apply Stoic principles to clarify your goals, ensuring they align with your core values and contribute to your eudaimonic well-being. 5. Focused goal setting. Embrace the Stoic discipline of focus, directing your energy toward a few meaningful goals rather than dispersing it across numerous pursuits. 6. Adaptive planning. Cultivate a Stoic mindset of adaptability, recognizing that plans may need adjustment in response to unforeseen circumstances. Number B. Stoic mindset and resilience. 7. Acceptance of challenges. Adopt the Stoic mindset of accepting challenges as opportunities for growth, understanding that obstacles are inherent in any transformative journey. 8. Stoic resilience practices. Incorporate Stoic resilience practices such as negative visualization and premeditatio malorum to prepare your mind for challenges and setbacks. 9. Epictetean control. Apply the wisdom of Epictetus by focusing on what is within your control, your thoughts, actions, and responses, while releasing attachment to external outcomes. Number C. Mindful habits and disciplines. 10. Stoic morning routine. Develop a Stoic-inspired morning routine, incorporating practices such as journaling, mindfulness, and affirmations to set a positive tone for the day. May this year be a chapter of transformative growth and virtuous evolution in the grand tapestry of your life. 11. Discipline of desire. Practice the Stoic discipline of desire, aligning your aspirations with what is virtuous and within your control. 12. Mindful consumption. Apply Stoic mindfulness to your media and information consumption, focusing on quality and aligning content with your values. Number D. Stoic relationships and connection. 13. Virtuous social bonds. Cultivate virtuous relationships, seeking connections with individuals who embody Stoic principles and contribute positively to your growth. 14. Stoic empathy. Develop Stoic empathy, understanding the perspectives of others while maintaining emotional balance and ethical conduct in your interactions. 15. Mutual support networks. Foster mutual support networks, surrounding yourself with individuals who encourage your reinvention journey and share Stoic values. Number E. Creative expression and learning. 16. Stoic reflection through art. Explore creative expression as a form of Stoic reflection, using art, writing, or other mediums to channel and understand your evolving self. 17. Philosophical learning. Engage in continuous philosophical learning, drawing inspiration from Stoic texts and other wisdom traditions to deepen your understanding of life's complexities. 18. Mindful adaptation. Apply the Stoic principle of adapting to change, embracing new opportunities for learning and growth as they arise. Number F. Stoic legacy and impact. 19. Living a Stoic legacy. Envision the legacy you want to leave, embodying Stoic virtues and contributing positively to the well-being of others. 20. The Stoic ideal of eudaimonia. Strive for the Stoic ideal of eudaimonia, a flourishing life characterized by wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. 21. Civic engagement. Participate in civic engagement aligned with Stoic values, contributing to the betterment of your community and the world. Number G. Stoic financial wisdom. 22. Financial virtue. Apply Stoic principles to your financial life, practicing temperance in spending, cultivating contentment, and aligning financial goals with virtuous living. 23. Stoic budgeting. Adopt a Stoic approach to budgeting, focusing on necessities and mindful spending, freeing yourself from the pursuit of material excess. 24. Financial independence with virtue. Pursue financial independence with Stoic virtues, emphasizing ethical investment choices and responsible wealth management. Number H. Health and well-being stoically. 25. Temperate lifestyle choices. Practice temperance in lifestyle choices, including diet, exercise, and rest, recognizing the connection between physical well-being and a resilient mind. 26. Stoic perspective on health. Embrace the Stoic perspective on health, acknowledging that physical well-being is within your control while accepting the uncertainties of life. 27. Mindful eating practices. Apply Stoic mindfulness to eating habits, savoring each meal with gratitude and refraining from overindulgence. Number Y. Stoic time mastery. 28. Present moment focus. Cultivate a present moment focus, applying Stoic mindfulness to manage your time effectively and avoid unnecessary distractions. 29. Priority alignment. Align your daily activities with your overarching goals, prioritizing tasks that contribute to your reinvention and well-being. 30. Stoic reflection on time. Reflect on the Stoic concept of time as a precious resource, emphasizing the importance of using it wisely for personal growth and flourishing. Important thing, as you embark on the journey of reinvention in 2024, may Stoic wisdom be your guiding light. This blueprint offers not just a roadmap, but a philosophical compass, empowering you to reshape your life with purpose, resilience, and the timeless virtues of Stoicism. May this year be a chapter of transformative growth and virtuous evolution in the grand tapestry of your life. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and latest update more.